Hi everyone, I'm Joellen from First Editing, and today we're going to focus on something every researcher needs: how to edit your scientific manuscript for maximum impact. So whether you're submitting to a top-tier journal or refining your thesis, these steps will help you take your research from draft to polished paper. So let's get started. Step one is clarity and precision. First, you need to make sure your writing is clear and precise. In scientific writing, every word counts. Avoid jargon whenever you can and use short, direct sentences to express your ideas. If you're explaining a complex concept, break it down into manageable steps to make it accessible to your readers. Step two is all about logical flow and structure. Next, you need to focus on the overall flow of your manuscript. Does your introduction set up your research question effectively? Are your methods, results, and discussion logically sequenced? A well-organized paper guides your readers smoothly through your research story, making your findings more persuasive. And step three, the visual elements. Don't overlook your figures, tables, and data visuals. Make sure they're clear, properly labeled, and directly support your conclusions. Remove any visuals that don't add real value. Each figure should be easy to understand and integrate seamlessly with your narrative. So check that all your figure, legends, and captions meet the style guidelines of your target journal. Which brings us to step four, adhering to journal guidelines. Before submission, double check your manuscript against your target journal's formatting and style guidelines. This includes everything from reference style to word count, section headers, and figure placement. Aligning your manuscript to these standards from the start makes a strong impression and can speed up the review process. Step five is the final language polish. So finally, give your manuscript a thorough language polish. Read it out loud to catch awkward phrasing or unclear sentences. Check for grammar and punctuation errors, and consider using a professional editing service, especially if English is not your first language. So this final pass ensures your hard work shines with maximum clarity and impact. So to recap, here are the 5 steps to edit your scientific manuscript for maximum impact. 1. Clarity and precision. 2. Logical flow and structure. 3. Visual elements. 4. Journal guidelines. And 5. The final language polish. So, what's the biggest challenge you face when editing your research paper? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. And for more editing tips or professional support, visit us at firstediting.com. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next submission. We look forward to hearing from you.